What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Best Product. Today, we are checking out the best Bluetooth meat thermometer that helps you cook with more confidence and less guesswork. If you want perfect doneness every time without constantly checking your food, this might be the smart kitchen tool you need. Let's get started. This is the Meat Champ 4 Probes Bluetooth Meat Thermometer. Meat Champ designed this thermometer to give you full control over your cooking. The standout feature is the 4 independent probes. That means you can monitor 4 different dishes or 4 different cuts of meat at the same time. Each probe shows its own temperature, so you always know exactly what is happening inside your food. This is very helpful when you are grilling or roasting multiple items together. Instead of opening the oven again and again, you simply check the temperature readings. It saves time and keeps the heat steady inside your grill or oven, which helps your food cook more evenly. The Meat Champ 4 Probes Bluetooth Meat Thermometer also comes with customizable temperature settings. You can choose from preset options based on the type of food and how you like it cooked. If you prefer something specific, you can switch to DIY mode and set your own target temperature. This gives you total flexibility and makes the thermometer adjust to your taste. Once your food reaches the target temperature, the Meat Champ thermometer alerts you with a beep and a flashing display. This means you do not have to keep watching it. You can focus on preparing other dishes or enjoying time with your guests while the thermometer keeps track for you. It helps prevent overcooking and undercooking, which can make a big difference in taste and texture. Another strong point of the Meat Champ 4 Probes Bluetooth Meat Thermometer is its large digital display. The screen is clear and easy to read at a glance. You do not need to struggle to see small numbers. Everything is simple and direct, which makes the cooking process more relaxed. This thermometer is not limited to just meat. You can use it for baking, roasting, or checking temperatures in different cooking appliances. It is a versatile tool that fits easily into any kitchen setup. The design is practical and user-friendly. The probes are built to handle high heat, and the main unit feels solid and reliable. Everything works together to give you accurate results and a smooth experience from start to finish. Cooking should be fun and stress-free. The Meat Champ 4 Probes Bluetooth Meat Thermometer helps you achieve better results with less effort. Check the price link in the description to see the latest offer, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.